Hi, I'm Obu from Smart Money Solutions. Welcome to my series of videos where I can show you what questions you need to ask your mortgage broker. The first question you need to ask your broker is whether you need a pre-approval before you buy a house. It is very important to have a pre-approval only because when you find a house later, it means that it's very easy to settle quickly rather than take a long time. What this also means is that you do not have to use your maximum pre-approval limit when you find your house. The next question you need to ask your broker is how many lenders they use actively. Most brokers will have anywhere between 15 and 30 different lenders, but if they have a preference of 3 or 4 lenders, say for example the major lenders, and do not use any other lender on their panel, it could mean that you are missing out on a good deal. As a consumer, probably you would want to ask your broker if there is any charge to the service they provide you. It is better to understand upfront whether there is any extra fee that you are going to be charged. Most brokers though get paid by their lender, and this does not mean that your interest rate is going to be high, neither are you going to pay the broker's commission from your pocket. The next question you need to ask your broker is how do they help you choose the right home loan for your situation. Your broker needs to take into account your short, medium and long-term goals, educate you and empower you to select the right home loan for you. This actually helps you in future when you need to buy your next property. The next question you probably might ask your broker is what is the home loan process? Most brokers have a document that they can probably provide you in terms of the home loan process, what you need to do and what they will do for you. This is important to understand upfront so that later there is no misunderstanding as to I should have done it, well it hasn't happened. So it is always good to understand upfront and then you do what you need to do and your broker will do what they need to do. If you have any questions during the process, you always should get in touch with your broker because it is better sorted out now rather than later.